Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify HubSpot CRM email sequences troubleshooting, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify HubSpot CRM email sequences, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard from the main menu. Select email sequences from the drop-down options. Choose the email sequence you want to verify. Click on the sequence to open it and review the content. Ensure that all emails in the sequence have the correct subject lines and body text. Next, check the personalization tokens used in the emails. Make sure each token pulls the right information from your contacts. Review the timing and delays set between each email in the sequence. Test the sequence by sending it to yourself or a test contact. Look for any formatting issues in the received emails. Ensure that links and buttons within the emails are functioning properly. Check the email tracking settings to confirm that open and click tracking is enabled. If you encounter issues, check HubSpot's help documentation for troubleshooting tips. You may also consider contacting HubSpot support for further assistance. After making any necessary adjustments, retest the sequence to confirm it works. Once verified, you can confidently use the email sequence with your contacts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.